Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today is another video. We're going to cast off my sinking fund, and I'm super excited that everybody who got the giveaway are getting their parcel sent to them. I've gotten, I think, from 3 people that they did receive it. Super excited. So welcome, keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy again. How are you? Today is another video. I'm going to cast off my sinking fan. I'm trying to change the envelopes here and just do it like just a nice, cute one, simple, not really fancy of my sinking fan. But this is my sinking fan binder. As you can see, I have about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 envelopes. This wallet actually can contain, I check, about 20 light envelopes. And this is how my sinking fan look like. I have the peach color. I still have some in my shop, very affordable, in case somebody want to check it out. A lot of space for cards, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and cast off my sinking fund. Before I do that, let me count the money as usual. So we have 50. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. So 150. 1, 2, 3. That's 30. 180. Then I have 10. So 190. So 190 going to my sinking fund for this paycheck. That's my first paycheck in July. Normally, I don't get paid in the first or the last or the middle. My paycheck comes like maybe second week of the month and probably the last week of the month. It kind of like not exact. I wish I can get paid maybe on the 1st and on the 15th. That would be great for budgeting, but it's not like that. But we're still making it work. Today for my Valentine, I'm doing $5. So let's go ahead and mark it. So $5 for Valentine. Sinking fund is one of the great way when you have it in your budget. I love it, to tell you. For birthday, I'm doing 20. I think I should take them out and arrange them nicely as I go, because I know they are not. Let's see. Oh, some of them are. Okay. So this is how much I have in birthday. Every month I do the sinking fund tracking, which I'm going to do it pretty much next week probably. I'll do the tracking. Then back to school is getting 20. Let's see how much. Arrange it. And $5 here. And I'm putting the sinking fund in my higher savings account, which I'm getting interest on it, which is very cool. Super excited to have that. Then I have my IRS license. My IRS license, I'm starting all over. I did spend to renew my license, so today is getting 20. We normally do it. I have about 4 licenses, and with some of them I'm making it lapse because definitely I know I'm not going to go there anytime soon. So it's either you defer for some years before you renew. But so far there are 2 licenses that I'm strictly have to renew almost every other 2 years. So I just did one of them, and if I didn't have the money, that could have been, whoo, I don't know. So I'm excited. I have a sinking fan for my licenses. They are really, really expensive. My car registration is getting 15. And that one I already have 10. So I have some in the bank. My car maintenance is getting 20. Let's see. Okay. For house maintenance is also getting 20. For other occasion, I might take it out because I have one in my bill binder. So I might not put anything for, let's see, for miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is gonna get, let's see. I'm not putting anything for miscellaneous. For my self-care, I'm putting, let me take everything out and arrange it well. I'm putting 10. Let me shade this. My goal is to get $500 at the end so that I can splurge on myself at the end of the year. So that's my goal. Okay. Okay, for my HMO and trash, $10. And for my blessings, I'm doing $50 to them. Which, like I said, I'm going to change the tracker so I don't have to. Okay, so that's all for my sinking fund. I can't wait to have a change to the new envelopes. I'm gonna work on it. Probably I'll show you guys next week. So thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Thank you. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Bye.